In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate a coffee shop store in Waze. We'll be using Waze and the Waze map editor to find the exact location of a coffee shop on the map. This process is helpful if you want to confirm where the store appears, check its map position, or prepare to work with the location more accurately. To begin, open Waze. Once you're there, head into the Waze map editor. This is the part of Waze that gives you a more detailed map view and lets you inspect places with better precision than the regular app view. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds so the map and tools appear properly. When the editor opens, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area usually contains the controls and editing tools you'll need. Taking a second to get familiar with this panel can make the next steps much easier, especially if this is your first time using the editor. From there, click on the pencil icon. This icon is commonly used for editing or selecting place-related tools, and it helps you move into the part of the editor where you can work more directly with locations on the map. Next, use the search bar to locate the exact area where your coffee shop is situated in your vicinity. Be as specific as possible when searching so the map centers on the correct neighborhood or street. If needed, type the general area first, then refine your search once you're closer to the right location. After that, type in the place. Enter the coffee shop name or the location details you want to find. This helps narrow things down and makes it easier to identify the correct spot, especially if there are multiple businesses nearby. Once the area is visible, use the zoom in button to locate the coffee shop more precisely. Zooming in is important because it allows you to distinguish individual buildings and storefront positions instead of relying on a broader street level view. If the map still looks too wide, zoom in gradually until the exact storefront area becomes clear. Finally, click on the exact spot on the map where the coffee shop sits. Try to place your click as accurately as possible so the location matches the real-world position of the store. A careful placement here makes the result much more useful and reliable, and that's how you locate a coffee shop store in Waze. Take your time with the search and zoom steps, since accuracy on the map makes all the difference.